Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Ambi. So, yeah, welcome to the class today. First of all, I want to thank all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I just want to say one thing, that those of you who have watched and even learned just a little bit, please can you like my videos? Please press the like button. Please comment on my videos. It will just help YouTube to push my video to more people. प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो, बिकॉज क्योंकि आपकी लाइक्स यूट्यूब को मेरी वीडियो को और लोगों तक पहुंचाने में मदद करेगा. सो just please, if you can press the like button, I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much. Let's get on with the lesson. So just to recap, हमने लास्ट लेसन में ये लर्न किया था कि अगर हमने सिंपल रूटीन्स के बारे में हमने बात करना है तो हमने जस्ट वन सेकंड, कैन आई जस्ट गेट द स्क्रीन प्रॉपर? ओके, या अगर हमने सिंपल रूटीन्स के बारे में बात करनी है तो वो हम कैसे करते हैं. सो I'm sorry about this. I just need to increase this size. Okay, there. तो अगर या सो हम how we speak about simple routines, तो जो verb है जैसे है go, walk, take, speak, drink, eat, तो जो verb है अगर हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमने उसको go, we just use it in its present form, in its first form, go. लेकिन अगर हमने किसी और के बारे में बात करना है, like if we're speaking about he or she, or if we know the name of the person, फिर हम verb के आगे we add an s or an es depending on the spelling. So that's a quick recap of the previous lesson, sorry. So going on to today's lesson, what are we going to learn in today's lesson? Well, we're going to learn about how to speak about routine or habits. So how do we talk about routine and habits in English? Well, firstly, what's important to know is we use the present simple tense. Okay, some call it the simple present, some call it the present simple. So that's how we would use, that's the tense that we would use if we are talking about somebody's routine or your own routine or somebody's habit or your own habits. Okay, for example, let's go through this example. अगर हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं, if we speak about yourself, so you would say I. Okay, जैसे हमने लास्ट लेसन में लर्न किया था, तो हमने कहना है I go to the gym every Sunday. I go to the gym every Sunday. तो हमने also अगर हमने आपके बारे में बात करनी है, जैसे आप किसी अपनी फ्रेंड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक अगर आपने फ्रेंड के साथ बात कर रहे हैं तो यू वुड, अगर आपने उनको कहना है कि उनकी रूटीन क्या है, तो यू वुड से यू गो टू द जिम एवरी संडे. ओके, तो अगर if there's a group of people, like 2 or 3 people, and you're talking about them, तो आपने कहना है they go to the gym. Okay, so if there's a group of 2 or more people, then we would say they go to the gym. अगर आप उस group में हो, if you're in that group, so if it's you and another friend of yours, or 2 friends of yours, so then you would say we go to the gym. Okay, हम जिम पे जाते हैं, वो जिम पे जाते हैं, आप जिम पे जाते हो, मैं जिम पे जाती हूँ every Sunday. Okay, so the present simple is when you use the verb in its very first form, okay, without adding s or es. Okay, so for example, let me just give you an example. They go to the gym on Sundays. Okay, they go to the gym on Sundays. Okay, for example, same here. अगर आप किसी ग्रुप के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो आप भी उस ग्रुप में हो, तो हमने we कहना है. we go to the gym on Sundays. Okay, राइट सो द डिफरेंस here is जो आपने इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो आपने नोट करनी है वो ये है कि अगर जैसे हमने लास्ट लेसन में लर्न किया था कि अगर आपने ही या शी के बारे में बात करनी है या अगर आप उन नाम जैसे यू नो द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन फॉर इंस्टेंस राज और तान्या then we would say okay can I okay yeah she goes to the gym on Sundays. Okay, she goes to the gym on Sundays. अगर आपको she का नाम पता है तो Tanya goes to the gym on Sundays. Again, the important thing is to add the es onto go, onto the verb. Okay, um, but that really does depend on the spelling. Okay, right. Let's have a look at the next verb, take. So for example, if you're speaking about I, you, they, we just say take. For example, I take, again, like, right, so the important thing that I need to mention here is we've said about routine. Okay, this is a routine. कि हम gym every Sunday हम gym जाते हैं. We go to the gym on Sundays. It's also about habits. Okay, a habit. अगर आपने किसी की habit के बारे में या अपने habit के बारे में बात करनी है तो suppose I say okay I take sugar in my tea. I take sugar in my tea. You can see this is a habit. ये मेरी habit है क्योंकि मैं अपनी चाय में मैं चीनी लेती हूँ. I take sugar in my tea. Okay, or you take sugar in your tea. They take sugar in their tea. We take sugar in our tea. Okay, I will explain that further. Okay, how the how we would make the sentences with they and we. Okay, but for now let's have a look at this. I take sugar in my tea because we're focusing on the present simple tense and how the verb changes. Okay, so here Raj takes sugar in his tea. Remember the possessive his. Okay, his, because is Raj is a, let me just change the color of that. Raj is a man, a boy, so Raj takes sugar in his tea. Okay, I take sugar in my tea. Okay, right here with watch, sentence we can make is they watch serials every day. They watch serials every day. They watch serials every day. And if you're speaking about someone, so let's say she watches serials every day. Full stop. She watches serials every day. So what's happened here? You can see we have added an ES. Now, if you remember, I said to you that we would add ES if the verb ends with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. But you can see here it ends with H. But because the sound is watch, so we need to add ES to the vowel. Okay, sorry, to the verb. Okay, so they watch serials every day. She watches serials every day. Okay, let's just have a recap with this one as well. I take sugar in my tea. Raj takes sugar in his tea. So the important thing to remember is that we would add s here to the verb. Again, you can see that because it ends with an e, I mean, like I said, English is very, very complicated. But you've got to remember that it doesn't follow a set pattern. But um, it's important that you remember that sometimes you've got to add the S and sometimes you've got to add the ES. Okay. Have I got any more examples to show you? Yes, I have. Okay. Listen. Right. Okay. You listen to me all the time. You listen to me all the time. Now that is what? Like a routine, a habit? Yes, it is. You listen to me all the time because it's happening all the time. It's regular. So when you talk about a regular activity, again, you would use, what would you use? You would use the present simple tense. Okay. You listen to me all the time. Okay. Um, Now if we talk about he, he, let me just make that more clear. Wait. He listens to me all the time. Okay. He listens to me all the time. She listens to me all the time. Raj listens to me all the time. Tanya listens to me all the time. What have we done? We have added an S, okay, to the verb. It's really important that you remember that. So the key take that you need to take away from this lesson is that when we are talking about I, you, they, we just use the verb as it is. Go, take, watch, listen, speak. Okay. When you talk about he or she, or if you know the names, then what do? We add an es or an s depending on the word and depending on the spelling of the word. Okay. Again, thank you so much for listening to this lesson, for watching this lesson. If you have any questions at all, please comment in the comment section. Please like my videos if you do like it. If you have learned anything from my lessons, please like the video. If you have any important questions, I will get back to you. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.